Let me show you how to create an amazing text effect in Photoshop. Let's start the video. Firstly, go to Type tool and type text. Adjust text like this. Change the color of text. Now place the image. Adjust image like this and create the clipping mask. Now press Ctrl+J for duplicate the image. Add the layer mask and go to Brush tool. Brush like this. Now select text layer and go to blending options and add inner shadow. Follow these settings and then OK. Now go to blending options of image layer and add the drop shadow like this. That's it. Subscribe for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.